When I was a kid, my mom would often point out the beauty of a tree or a plant or a bird. And in those days, I had a bad attitude towards observing and appreciating nature. But today, I'm convinced that what we spend our time looking at and thinking about and doing matters because it affects our minds and our bodies and our souls. And in these days that we live in, there are so many siren songs that call for our attention, but spell the demise for our mental and spiritual well-being. When I think about it, I think that we cannot control if our minds and souls will be influenced by the things that we think about and spend our time doing. But we can control what we are influenced by controlling what we spend our time thinking about and doing. To me, it's not unuseful to spend time in gratitude and observation of the beauty all around us and the beauty of nature and in developing our craft and our artwork and our sketches and our drawings. I actually think it's one of the healthiest things that we can do. So get out there this week, spend time bettering yourself in gratitude and love for the beauty that you see. And remember that you have a voice that matters. Go be creative. I'll see you next time.